guys, welcome to this channel once again. I just want to drop a quick one for those of us who are either completely newbies or really do not know how to go around navigating MetaMask wallet on their mobile phones, for example, not the extension, the mobile phones wallet. Of course, you can use this as an analogy to understand, of course, how MetaMask works entirely, even on the extension platform, like the extension in the mobile browser or in the normal mobile phone app of MetaMask. Okay, so normally when you open MetaMask for the first time, you're normally, by default on the Ethereum main network. Okay, so you could hear someone say like, please, can you give me your BNB BEP20 address? Or can you give me your Optimism address? Or can you give me your Arbitrum address? Or can you give me your Polygon Matic address? Actually, they all mean the same thing. Like it's all the same address because they are all EVM compatible. That is Electron Virtual Machine compatible. They are all compatible with Ethereum, okay, the Ethereum blockchain, but they are on different blockchains. So you can use the same address across different blockchains. So the only difference is that you need to actually be on that chain, that network, that blockchain for you to see your assets in that chain. Okay, so what you have to do is simply to change or add that network if it doesn't exist or if it's not currently added. So you want to look at the top, the middle of your screen. At the top section, you will see Ethereum main network. You see a curved like a curved arrow or like a triangle pointing downwards. So you just have to tap on that, and then you're going to see other chains right here. So you can just select them to either add them to the chain, okay, to add them to your wallet, I mean. So you can just add BNB Smart Chain for us, for yourself. You see BNB Smart Chain is now active. You can also go back there, okay, on the same place and add, for example, Polygon mainnet, okay, and of course Matic is active. So you can also, for example, go back there to the same place and add let's say Arbitrum 1. It's added, of course, it's now active. You would do well to go back there and add Optimism, okay, of course it's now active. Switched to Optimism, active, okay. So you can add all the networks that you can find here that are the default networks. Also, if you don't want to add those networks, or if they're not found there, for example, this is core, you can add the core mainnet. I had to add that manually myself, I think. So if you cannot find the blockchain you're looking for here, you simply do this. If you have, for example, if you're running a testnet, you can use the add network option, and then you can also come here and add some networks that are popular. For example, Avalanche is popular, you can add it. Switch to network, okay. You can go back there and add more of them, more of those networks. For example, you can go back there and click on add network, and you look for another popular one. Let's say Phantom is also quite popular. Yeah, you can add Phantom to that network and switch to Phantom. Also, you can actually add a network manually by yourself. When you click on add network, you just go to custom networks, which means customized networks. So if there's a test net you are doing somewhere, or there's a new network from a project you want to add, you just need to put the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and the block explorer, and you can add that here. Or if you don't trust where you're copying from, or you're not sure about it, you can close it and come to this section here, which is the browser section, and go to a website called chainlist.org. So on chainlist.org, you can find other popular networks that you also need. You see chainlist.org, you hit the enter button, and then you connect your wallet on chainlist.org, and then you can search for all the existing networks, including testnets. So you can just click include testnets here. You have to just connect your wallet, of course. So you connect your wallet, it's connected and active, and I have selected to include testnets. So anything I search for here, if it's an existing network that is on chainlist.org, most of the networks in the world are there. You're gonna find it. For example, let's search for the network called Base, for example. Let's search for Base. Let's see. Is Base, can you see Base network is here already? So you can just add to MetaMask and you switch to that, and of course it's automatically added. So if you go to the network section, the wallet section right now, you're going to see Base. Can you see it at the top? Base. And you see Ethereum on Base. Okay, you can also add, for example, another network. Let's say you want to add the Blast network. Okay, what do? You go back to the same page and search for Blast. Okay, where is the search button? Again, the search bar here. You can search for Blast. Let's see, can we find Blast? Of course, Blast testnet is here because of course the mainnet is also down there. So we can just add Blast testnet. So you can search for all networks that you need and you can just add them to your MetaMask. Okay, I hope this is helpful to you and other persons who need this. Please share this video, subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications button on so that you can always have access to new videos and refer us to your friends. Thank you, bye, and God bless you.